Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2006 Chrysler 300. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the hazard switch as well as the ESP or electronic stability switch mounted in the center dash panel. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this car as well as many other makes and models. And if you ever need parts for your vehicle, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. In order to access some of these parts, we'll have to remove this dash panel here. Fortunately, with this trim removal tool available from 1AAuto.com, we can get this plastic piece out without worrying about damaging any of the other interior pieces. All you got to do is get behind it, pry out. This clips all the way along the side, so just keep moving up little by little, prying it out. Now we can slide this forward and access the electrical connectors at the back. All you got to do is push down, release the tabs. This one over here has got one of those red safeties, which actually, another great use for this tool. Just pop that little tab out, release the connector. We'll move on to these ones up here. We have your ESP and hazard switch, as well as the little electrical connection for the clock. To remove the hazard and ESP switch assembly, on the back side of the dash, we have two 4mm screws, which we'll remove with a 4mm socket and ratchet. Now the best way to not lose these, because they're so tiny, is go ahead and lay that bezel down pretty flat. Loosen the screws and pull up on the bezel while you're loosening. Just make sure that they stay right in there when you take out your switch. Lay the switch panel back down into the bezel. Don't install it fully yet because we still have those screws hanging in there. Once they're both started, go ahead and tighten them down. Now these are just small screws going into plastic, so I'm just using 2 fingers to turn the very top of the ratchet, and when I can't do that easily anymore with just my 2 fingers, we know it's in there good and tight, but also that I'm not going to break anything. Once you've tightened up all of the 4mm screws, we can reinstall the dash panel into the vehicle. Now it's a little bit easier to connect the bottom first, so we'll start by reconnecting the HVAC panel. And all these connectors are different sizes, so you can't really mix them up. Don't forget the little red clip that goes in the big connector here. Just slide that in. Lock it into place, and that keeps it from falling out. Reconnect the ESP and hazard switch at the top center. And the white switch all the way at the top for our clock. Set the panel back into the dash. Just press around the edges until everything sits into place and everything is where it should be. To reset your clock, it's very simple. Right now, it's 3 o'clock even. Holding the button will get the clock to move. You can let on and off because it'll speed up as you hold it longer. Just a couple of taps and it's 3 o'clock.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.